back with another tutorial for a spin hook kick. Make sure you guys, his body is warmed up, your legs are all nice and warm, your body is all nice and warm, and your hips are stretched out. To start off with your hook kick, you're gonna need a chair. Put it down. Now, only one hand gets to touch the chair. And it's the hand that's closest to the chair. Your front leg is gonna kick. So if I'm here, I'm gonna pick up my front leg. Now watch my bottom foot super carefully. I'm gonna turn and pivot it towards my chair. Now I'm slightly turned over to the side. Now I'm gonna pull my toes back, stick out my heel like a side kick. Now I'm gonna point my toe and I'm gonna swipe it all the way across. Then I rechamber and I put it down. When you do your hook kick, you're imagining that you're slapping somebody with your big toe only. Okay? So one more time. Pick up my knee. I turn it towards the chair. I stick out my heel. I point my toe. And I pull it all the way across. And then I rechamber, put it back down. Do it slow a couple times. And then you're going to do it normal speed. So I start here. My foot's not turned to the chair. Then as I pick up my knee, I turn and pivot my foot here, and I hook all the way across. And you want to warm up the other side. Here, pick up my knee, pivot, heel, big toe, slap somebody across the face.
Since we are doing a spin hook kick, now we're going to warm up our 360. Now, one of the things that's really important in both kicks and the 360 is you need to pick a spot that you're going to spot, or pick a point that you're going to look at when you start, and you're going to look for it while you do your 360. So, I know you guys can't see it, but my spot is going to be that bag over there. So I'm going to look at it at the beginning, I'm going to get ready, I'm going to jump, I look over my shoulder, find it, and land. You want to start and stop looking at that same point, and you're going to go both directions. So I'm going to load up, spot, look, spot, and land. Nalani definitely just shook the building. But that's okay, we won't talk about it. Shh.
Now you're going to add your spin to your hook kick, but very slowly. You're going to start by putting your kicking leg in the back. So I'm going to kick with this leg. I'm going to face forward. Now I'm going to put both my hands on the ground. So I'm going to face the back wall. I'm going to put both hands on the ground. I'm going to pick up my leg, and I'm just going to hook it around. It's just to get the timing of spinning, keeping your hip facing the back wall while you start your hook kick, so you can bring it around and finish. So again, I'm facing forward, I turn, I put both hands down, and then I hook my leg around. Then the next step is
one hand. So once you get two hands down, now you're going to do one hand. You're going to do the hand that's on the front leg. So, I start facing forward, I pivot towards the back, I put my one hand down, and as that hand goes down, I pick up the other leg and hook around. And for both of these, it's easier if you go faster, but you still want to make sure that your hands plant and you get that leg up because you want your hips to stay pointed that way. So, if I go a little faster, I start facing forward, I turn, put my hand down, and hook. Alright, and then man?
No hands.
Woo!
So now that you learned how to spin, keeping your hips facing that way, starting your hook kick, and then kicking, you're going to do it without your hands. So if I'm here, again, my back leg is going to kick, I turn towards it, I face this wall, and while I'm still here, I pick up my leg to kick, I throw my hook kick out and around, and then I land back over here. It's a lot easier if you go faster. So if I'm here, I go here, out, boom. And you slap somebody with your big toe.
So, now we're going to break it down so you guys know each individual piece to look at. Because once you get it down, you still want to make it look better and you still want to be able to fix yourself, so you want to focus on little things as you go. So, for the spin hook kick, as with all kicks, we want to spot. So I start picking my spot on the wall that I'm going to look for, And then the first step is I'm going to pivot both feet to face the back wall, and now my squat's on the opposite wall. After that, I'm going to look over my shoulder while still keeping my hips face forward, and I'm going to try and look for that spot when I pick up that leg and a hook kick.
The one thing though is that you're going to start your kick before you actually see your spot.
Yes.
It's a blind kick, so you're going to have to spot it really fast as soon as you turn around. So I'm here, I turn, and that's why I start my kick here, so that when I come around, my hip stays down, and it stays sideways. I don't want my foot to come up this way, because then it's an outside crescent kick. I keep my hip face down, and I bring it around like a hook kick. It's a hook kick.
Because it is a hook kick. And just like we did with the chair, after I turn, I have that back foot pivoted just like it was on the chair. So I lift that leg out, lift that leg up. When I extend it, I push my top hip out to extend my heel all the way. Then I point my toes and I pull it across. So then, all together, you spot, you turn, pick it up, stick it out, hook.
2 ways to do your spin hook kick. There's the more traditional martial arts styles way, and then the trickers way. For the traditional martial arts style, you want to make it as snappy as possible. So when I say slap somebody with your big toe, that's what you got to imagine when you're doing it. So if I'm here, I'm going to make sure I chamber and I re-chamber really fast. So I go here, boom! It's a lot faster than like the slow drills that we were going over. So again, I imagine somebody's right in front of me, and I gotta slap them with just my big toe, super hard and super fast. Here, boom, snap. And that's your traditional martial arts way.
The other style is the tricker style. In this one, you don't worry about the chamber at the beginning or the re-chamber at the end. Sometimes people combine them and do the re-chamber at the end too, but the real trickers way is just a straight leg hook kick all the way through. So, I pick my spot. When I turn, I just pick this leg straight up and hook across. So I go up, hook. I never bend this leg. I just bring it straight across. So I wind up, I go straight leg, hook. If you want to combine them, then you go straight leg at the beginning and re-chamber at the end. So I go back, straight leg, re-chamber. That's my favorite way to do it. I combine.
Make sure your foot stays sideways and your hips stay down.
When you kick, when you find that spot that you're going to kick, you start your kick when you're still facing backwards so that you could come across that point. You don't stop at the point you're kicking, you go across that point. Alright guys, so that was how to do a spin hook kick. We'll be back with more drills and more kicks, more moves, more everything. So keep checking back with us. We'll also post it on our Instagram, which is @Shin's Black Belt. Don't forget to subscribe to our Shin's Black Belt YouTube channel, because not only do we have these how-tos, but we have the art classes with Sir Dale, and we also post our live classes after they happen, so you can get a good workout at home, which is especially important because we're all stuck there. Alrighty guys, see you later.